Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'll discuss a little bit about something that's very important, and probably you're looking forward to that as well, and that is the important Boracay opening soon news. Boracay is opening very soon, within 3 weeks. So what does that mean? Starting to promote again Boracay? Well, before you do that, please check these things out here. You have to read the news in here. First of all, Boracay, when they are opening, they have a soft opening. So let's click here on the news so you can find some additional information. So if you click on this is the official news from the government agency, the Philippine news agency of the government. And they indicated in August 31, that's already a month ago, that there are only 25 hotels currently opening, or they have the official DOT permit to open up, or official whatever permit this is for the Department of Interior and Local Government. And if your hotel is not on the list and you might sold rooms for the hotel, please understand that you might have a problem. Not sure, but you might be impacted, or your customer might be impacted if the hotel doesn't have their permits on time, because there's a no compliance, no opening policy, meaning that every hotel must be approved by the DOT before they are allowed to open and start their business again in Boracay. This is very important. You can see here currently the list of all the hotels that are opening, and what you need to know is, so even right now, if you would be promoting this and there are some hotels not on the list currently, but they're very famous, and then you might be shocked that maybe they will not be opening because they're not able to get the permits on time. So double check and you not communicate with the hotel before you do anything at all. So that's very important. And if you want to have a nicer organization of the list, so just click here on the DOT accredited list. You can see here a list of all. You can see this is from ABS-CBN, and they have a quick list of all the hotels available, and it just takes some time to load, but that's alright. Very important is, before you promote Boracay, make sure you check the list which hotels are open. And you can see here, this is what they have. You can see here the total list and the amount of rooms. Because there are so less rooms available, you have to be on time and fast before this is already sold out. Because they're restricting the amount of tourists coming to the island and the capacity, because they will measure it based on their capacity. So that would mean that the prices of the hotel probably will go up because there's lesser people able to go there. But also there might be a high demand, but there's too less hotel rooms available. So please double check all of these things before you make a booking with Boracay. So if you like this information and you think, well, this is very useful for you as well, just go to couponbet.com and you can sign up as well. You can sign up here. You can see we have so many things here, and this is just currently launched. It's already in there as well. There's so much in here to help you organize your travel agency. So go here and click on start now for free, because we have free till end of this year. So what are you waiting for? Sign up with CouponBet right now.